All right, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another trucking video. My name is Michael, and if you're new here to the channel, I am a truck driver for the company Sweet Express. Chances are, if you're viewing the video, this may be why you are here. I'm here today picking up a load, going up to well, Boston, Massachusetts. We are here in Blandon, Pennsylvania, which is like I don't know, kind of near Reading, in that general area. Kutztown, if you're familiar. And yeah, we're right near there. We're picking up a load. Yeah, it's heading up to Boston today. Delivery tomorrow. Just got back from a nice long holiday weekend. Happy 4th to all. And hope everybody had a nice, safe weekend, doing whatever they needed to do, having a good time, not working, but back to reality today. Today's Tuesday, delivers first thing tomorrow. We have an 8 a.m. appointment. Wednesday into Boston, Massachusetts. So I figure we'll make a little video about this and document what's sure to be some struggles along the way, I imagine. And yeah, but it's a nice day. We're here nice and early. Got here about 15 minutes ago. We're just waiting over here for Watsontown to come out of door 13. Once he comes out, that's the door we're backing into. Get live loaded here. I've been here before, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to get loaded, and then I'll do my trip planning while I'm waiting. I already know the route I want to take, but see what the traffic's like and all that. And yeah, we'll go from there. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, update time. It is now 10:30. We are finally just finished getting loaded. I pulled out of the door, closed up, put the seal on, put my lock on, my master lock that is on the back of the trailer, and we're getting ready to roll out of here. 6 hours to go to where we're going, but we won't go all the way to the receiver. We'll shut down shortly before then we'll find a rest area or somewhere to park. So I'll give you guys an update a little later. Full day of driving. Let's go. Alright guys, update time. We are here in Massachusetts. We are right off I-90, aka the Massachusetts Turnpike. Right after you come off 84, you grab 90 heading east, and this is the first rest area I saw. There's only one other one heading eastbound before you get to the city of Boston. So just getting to that point of the day because it's 4:15 now. That these were just going to fill up very quick because there's very little truck parking at these rest areas. So first one I saw, I pulled in, just like normal. They kind of split when you pull in, but this is the car side of it, but trucks park on both sides clearly. Over there, I don't even know if you can even see it, behind the gas pumps and all that is the actual diesel side and where the big truck parking is. But there's literally only like 5 spots over there, so a lot of times when I come through here, I'll see guys like double parked in front of one another, and like impossible for people to get out and stuff like that. So I'd rather risk parking like this rather than parking like that, and then like having a tight area to squeeze through. Somebody potentially hits you while you're sleeping, so on and so forth. So I'm far enough away from this excavator digger thing that hopefully I don't get a knock in the middle of the night when they have to start working. I'm assuming that they're starting work tomorrow. So anyway, I say all that to say I'm shutting down for the night. We have about an hour left to drive to get to our destination. But like I said, the parking was limited. There was only 2 rest areas, and so I wanted to try the first one. I saw if this one was full, I was gonna put all my eggs in one basket, hope that I can either make or find a spot in the second one, but I guess I kind of found a spot here. So just what you got to do sometimes. So I'd like to have gotten closer, but I'm not going to risk it. This parking eastbound is very limited on the Pike, so it is what it is. So anyway, yeah, so I just did my post trip. We're all good there. So I will talk to you guys first thing in the morning, and we'll get this load delivered to Boston. What's up, guys? Good morning, and it's the next day. Just finished up our pre-trip inspection. We're getting ready to roll here. Got about an hour to go. Next stop, Boston, Mass. Let's go. Almost there. All right, we have arrived here in beautiful sunny Boston, Massachusetts. We are delivering to the Leavitt Corporation, aka the home of Teddy Peanut Company. Locals know it to be very good. I think it's distributed like out to months of Midwest. I never heard of it. I don't think I've ever had it, but there's this fella right here in front of us that's trying to work real quick, switch out a dumpster or something, but I gotta go around him, and the bay doors are over here, so I'm gonna have to like kind of sneak around it and then do like one of these and then back in. Kind of sucks across the street, but the street doesn't look too busy at the moment, so we'll see if we'll see how this pans out. But it kind of sucks because I'm on a corner, like cars are kind of sweeping around, so they're not gonna be able to see me until the last minute. So it's one of those things where you're just gonna have to go for it, go slow, keep your four ways on, and yeah, go from there. So wish me luck, and we'll see how this pans out. All right, we got her in there. That's what she said. That guy with the dumpster truck, he pulled right out as soon as I put the camera down the last clip, so that worked out pretty good. I had to come over this way, and I pulled into this little yard over here, and then then luckily one of the guys came out that worked inside, one of the dock workers, and kind of stopped traffic because my trailer was basically all the way in. But yeah, I backed out slowly, came this way, but the angle wasn't right, so I had to like kind of pull over here, over into this little area over here, and kind of get it straight, and then kind of just zigzag it back in. Got it just right, but we're in the door, we hit it right, and yeah, we're about to start getting unloaded here. So let's see how long this takes, but hopefully it won't take too long. I'm the only truck here, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, well, we're just about finished getting unloaded here. I'm gonna get a little something to eat and keep it moving here, but that'll do it for this video. If you enjoyed this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, make sure to drop them down below. Write a comment. I'm usually pretty quick about responding to stuff like that. As soon as I get a chance, I'll check it on YouTube, and yeah, I like to respond to everybody. But yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, be sure to check out my other videos. I have a lot of other stuff like this. Think about joining this company, check out my videos that I made in reference to that, with a lot of updated information and requirements and so on and so forth. But yeah, guys, that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Be good, be safe, God bless, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.